Hello, in this video I will now demo how to install the plugin into your WordPress site. You need to go into your WordPress admin and enter your admin username and password, then login. Okay, then you go to plugin, add new, upload plugin, and choose the file that you download from members area. Click install now. Wait until it's finished. Okay, then activate plugin. Okay, you will see the content Siphon menu on the left side. Okay, you can see the plugin. It's working now and installed and activated successfully. Okay, thank you.